I think by now, all of us definitely understand that we need to upskill in AI. But probably all of us do not have time to attend that 40-hour large language model bootcamp or that agentic AI or RAG bootcamp. And to be honest, sometimes to solve a very specific tactical use case, for example, I want to build a personal assistant agent, or I want to really understand how to use Gemini in Google Sheets. You don't really need to. You don't really need to go ahead and spend a lot of time in learning about the history of large language models. And this is where I want to talk to you about something that Google recently released called AI Boost Bites. These are micro learning videos, all under 10 minutes, which are designed to solve a tactical problem. For example, something that can save you an hour right now. It basically cuts all the fluff and just explain you how to go ahead and do it. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the platform really quickly, help you understand how you can gain access to it, and also take you through one of the micro learnings. And we will see together how I can leverage this to prepare for my meetings better. All right, so let's get into it. So to access AI Skills Boost, you will come to skills.google.com, and this will be the landing page here. And you can see here, there are different things which are available. You have the catalog, you have different paths. So this is part of the broader Google Skills program. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested in me taking you through the broader skills program as well. You can do a ton of different things. And then this is where you see different collections, right? So what they have done is they have put everything together. And what we're going to focus here today is the AI Boost Bites, right? So you can see learn AI in 10 minutes with AI Boost Bites. And this is where you have all of these very interesting, very practical, tactical courses that you can take. For example, here you can go ahead and build like a feedback agent. You can look into how Gemini image to sheet can work very well. And then you can explore and look into a lot of other options out there. And this is what I was talking about earlier, right? So you can actually, based on the kind of use cases that you have, you can look into all of these different options and you can find something that might be very interesting to you. For example, create like a what if scenario with AI. So there are like a ton of different Boost Bites that are available. All of these are less than 10 minutes. And you can see they keep on adding this almost every week, if I'm not wrong. So this is going to just keep on increasing. So for today, I'm really interested in building like a work with me feedback agent. And the reason why I find this very interesting is because A, it uses my favorite, which is Google Gemini Gems. And B, it really builds a personalized agent which understands my tone of how I talk professionally via emails and stuff like that, and really tries to mimic my behavior. So let's go into this and see if I were to go through this in under 10 minutes, what are the things that I'll be able to do? What are the things that I'll be able to build? And what are the assets that or artifacts that this particular 10-minute bite is going to provide me? All right. So let's get into it. So in order to make the most of this, it is obviously advisable to click on join. And they make it super easy because you can connect it directly with your Google account. And once you're done with that, then you will also get to see this kind of dashboard where you can see all the different courses that you have taken already, what is your progress and stuff like that. And also gives you a little bit of a motivation to keep the streak running. And then there's always like a little competition on where you are in terms of ranking. They also provide you scores based on the course completion that you have done, right? For example, this is the one which we were trying to do. So once I click on that, I will be taken into this particular course, which is the AI Boost Bite, right? So here, what is really very quick content, right? So you have your overview, which has a video, then you have a knowledge check. And then once you complete everything, then you get a badge from Google. And then obviously there's a little bit of a survey as well so that they can continue to improve on it. So let's click on the lesson here, right? So the lesson is directly a video, which is very short. So this one is
Charles Eichenbaum. Welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to suit.
So this is like a 4-minute video. You can see this is pretty quick, short. And then as part of it, what they're also sharing is, for example, use Gemini to build your own work with me agent to complete this challenge. And this is how he would have explained the video over here. And then they also provide this document, which is fantastic because once you are inside the document, they go ahead and explain more about this gem and how would you go and like really get this done, right? So let's try to follow this and create this step by step and we'll see what this can help us enable. So here it is suggesting us to create a Work With Me gem, which is a personalized AI assistant that will help colleagues to understand your unique working style. And what they're going to do is they're suggesting that we use our own emails in the last 6 months in order for the AI to understand our working style, which is fantastic. So the prerequisite is your workspace apps should be connected to Gemini. So what we will do is we'll go to Gemini and then click on this particular setting, and here click on connected apps and just say toggle this button. So I've already toggled it. And then once you're done with this, then we come back to this particular document. And what it is saying is go ahead and copy paste this particular prompt, right? So I'm going to do that. And the benefit here of connecting to your workspace apps is once you do the @sign, you can see that Gmail is already here. So I'm going to run this and see the result. And once I run, this is the beauty of connecting your workspace with Gemini, right? So it is actually going ahead and analyzing all of my emails, and it's really coming back with a really detailed analysis of what is my professional persona, right? So it is giving core feedback in terms of the core principles, action-oriented clarity. You provide feedback that is focused on specific next steps, data-driven justification, some of the do's and don'ts, decision-making framework, persona in terms of what my professional persona is, right? This is really cool because AI is able to really look at data in order to form your professional personality. Sometimes it could be eye-opening to yourself as well, because some of the things that you have done for many months or years could be uncovered with this, which probably as humans, we're not able to see. So that was step one. So we just completed this, generate your core working style. And then we will go into step two, which is refine your personal guide. So the step two is where what they're suggesting is we add the output from the step one into this particular prompt, and you are basically asking it to create a guide, right? Which will then be used as an input to Gem. So I've done exactly that. I've copy pasted the previous output from here, and I'm just gonna run this so that I can get the guide as an output from here. So I'm just running it. And then this becomes a guide, which basically informs the gem, like how my professional persona is, right? This is my communication style. This is my decision-making process. This is my approach to meetings and what I need from you for a great meeting. And this is the instructions. So this is just fantastic because now you've got two prompts, which will actually help you to create the gem. Now, once you're done with this, then you go back, and then this is where you will go to step three, which is navigating to actually creating a gem. So we'll look into that right away. So the step number three is where we are going to create a new gem. We'll give it some sort of a name. And then here are the instructions there where we need to paste the entire guide. Let's do one thing. Let's first go ahead and copy the entire guide. Then we will go ahead and create a gem. So we come here and then click on new gem. We will go back and look into the nomenclature. So maybe like this one is work with Surya. And then here, I'm going to paste the entire guide. And they're also suggesting that here you should be pasting this one. So I'm going to start with that particular instruction, right? So I'm going to do that. And then in the description, I can say how to best work with Surya, right? And that's about it. Based on this, I'm going to save this. And now I have this gem available. So my colleagues can actually start interacting with this gem. They can say that, hey, I have an upcoming meeting with Surya. How can I make the most of his time, right? So here we'll now tell the colleagues that, hey, like Surya values operation precision and this. So why are we here? Ask and all these things. So this is pretty interesting, right? So this is the pre-meeting checklist. So now like imagine having access to a gem like this. You have a way to really make the meetings productive. And also for Surya, for in this case myself, if I let this gem become available to the rest of the organization, then I know that the folks know what is the best way to interact with me so that I can provide the most value, right? And this is pretty cool. In less than 10 minutes, we were able to do this, and we will be able to also earn the badge, do the quiz, and you actually have a practical gem working in a very short amount of time. And that's the idea, right? The idea is to have a skill boost in a byte format, which is AI Boost Bytes. So I'm hoping this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like me to go through some of more AI Boost Bytes. And also if you're interested in learning about the broader Google skills. These are some of the nuggets that I would love to share more so that you can become much more productive in your day-to-day professional life. This is certainly a cool thing which Google continues to add. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions. If you like the video and if this added any value to you, please hit that like button and please do subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks once again for your time, and I will see you in the next one.